Hello, friends. Welcome back to another episode of Movies and Melodies. Now, today's theme is something that I've been wanting to do for a long, long time. It's one of my favorite themes in Indian music in general, Indian film music in general, but Bollywood too. They've done a very good job with these. And these are Radha Krishan songs. They introduce these sequences in the movie where, the main lead pair are acting out in a college play or a musical or some such. And so you have the Radha Krishna kind of a situation coming in there. Or the hero and the heroine are trying to express their love in the form of using Radha and Krishna as allegories. So in 1953, Bimal Da came out with Parinita. This was a very well-made movie based on the novella by Sharat Chandra Chatterjee. The story is that of a wealthy young man, a zamindar's son, who falls in love with his impoverished neighbor girl. Then they have a misunderstanding, which frankly, if only they had just gotten up and spoken to each other and cleared the air, then of course we wouldn't have had a story or a movie. But looking at it from the kind of practicality of modern times, it just seems such a waste of time and so much anguish. But the movie was excellent. Ashok Kumar and Meena Kumari in the lead. Outstanding performances by both of them. The movie has been edited beautifully too. Rishikesh Mukherjee did the editing because he was Bimal Da's editor. The music was by Arun Kumar Mukherjee, and he also apparently was assisted by Manada for the movie. And Bharat Vyas, Pandit Bharat Vyas wrote all the lyrics. And this song is, like I said before, a situation where the hero and the heroine they fought and they are unable to speak to each other and express their anger. So in the meanwhile, there is a wandering minstrel who comes and he sings this song, and it actually expresses their feelings. So this fight between Radha and Krishna, so to speak. So in Manada's voice from Parinita, Chali Radhe Rani akhiyon mein pani, apne mohan se mukhda mod ke.
चली राधे रानी अखियों में पानी चली राधे रानी अखियों में पानी अपने मोहन से मुखड़ा मोड़ के अपने मोहन से मुखड़ा मोड़ के चली राधे रानी अखियों में पानी अपने मोहन से मुखड़ा मोड़ के अपने मोहन से मुखड़ा मोड़ के मान भरी अभिमान भरी मान भरी अभिमान भरी निर्मोही से नाता तोड़ के अपने मोहन से मुखड़ा मोड़ के चली राधे रानी ओ जमुना के तट पे बंसी के बट पे नटखट ने उसको घेर लिया देखो नटखट ने उसको घेर लिया घूंघट के पट से झांके झटपट राधा ने भी मुंह फेर लिया हो देखो राधा ने भी मुंह फेर लिया बातों ही बातों में झगड़ा भया ऐसा बातों ही बातों में झगड़ा भया ऐसा बाहों के बंधन तोड़ के वो चली बाहों के बंधन तोड़ के अपने मोहन से मुखड़ा मोड़ के चली राधे रानी अखियों में पानी अपने मोहन से मुखड़ा मोड़ के अपने मोहन से मुखड़ा मोड़ के.
It's common knowledge that Dilip Kumar suffered from depression in the early 50s. This was, according to his doctors, because he was acting in very, very sad, very serious movies. And because he was a very sensitive person, he started to believe in these kind of dark and, the role of a doomed person kind of a thing, that it was part of his actual life. These were the things that he started to believe in and started feeling very depressed. So the doctors advised him to, start acting in light-hearted rom-com kind of movies. So in 1955, he accepted an offer from a Telugu producer-director, Sri Ramulu Naidu, to act in Azad. Meena Kumari acted opposite him. It was such a delightful movie. If you have not watched it, I recommend it very highly. The story is so perfect. It has a Robin Hood-like character. It has a proper villain played by Pran Saab to perfection, and this feisty, pretty young lady played by Meena Kumari. So this particular song, it's picturized on Meena Kumari. She's sort of performing this little dance item, so to speak, for her family. She is so beautiful, so light, so graceful, so expressive. She's just adorable in this song. The music for the movie was by C. Ramchandra, with Rajendra Krishan writing the lyrics. So in Lataji's very beautiful voice from the film Azad, Radha na bole, na bole, na bole re, ghungat ke patna khole re.
ना बोले ना बोले ना बोले रे ना बोले ना बोले ना बोले रे घूंघट के पटना खोले रे राधा ना बोले ना बोले ना बोले रे घूंघट के पटना खोले रे राधा ना बोले ना बोले ना बोले रे
In 1959, Nirupa Roy, Anita Guha and Bharat Bhushan acted in a movie called Kavi Kalidas. It was based on the life story of the great poet Kalidas. The story is that of a rather slow-witted young man who, with the help of a learned scholar, ends up defeating this princess. It's her wish to marry a very intelligent man because she's a very, very intelligent woman herself. So she sets this sort of set of questions that have to be answered, and he manages to answer all of these questions. She doesn't know it's with the help of this scholar, and so he wins her hand and she marries him. After she marries him, she realizes that he's not the brilliant scholar that she had been led to believe. She gets very angry and she humiliates him and rejects him. So now he goes off in a fit and vows at this point to actually become a scholar and, win back her love. So the queen, played by Nirupa Roy, sings this song, sort of thinking of her husband longingly kind of a thing. The music for the movie was by S.N. Tripathi, with Pandit Bharat Vyas writing the lyrics. And it's a very pretty song, but, a lot of yearning and so on. In Lataji's voice from Kavi Kalidas, Sham bhai ghan sham na aaye. Kohinoor. This came out in 1960, another light-hearted caper with Dilip Kumar and Meena Kumari. Such an awesome movie, a laugh fest from the word go. Please, please, please watch this if you haven't watched it. It is worth your time. The feeling that you walk away with at the end is that Meena Kumari missed her mark not acting in more rom-coms. She was a complete natural at comedy, and it's so hard. You have to be a really good actor to be able to do comedy well. Anyway, that's a story for another time, I guess. Coming back to the song, it's a brilliant dance sequence. Kumkum, who was such a fantastic dancer, dances while Dilip Saab is playing the sitar and singing, and we have Mukri to give a bit of light comic relief during the song itself. And Dilip Kumar was such a perfectionist. He actually learned how to play the sitar from Ustad Halim Jafar Khan Saab, who played the sitar for the song in the orchestra. So when he is actually playing it, you can tell he knows how to play the sitar, and he's actually playing it when he's performing in the movie. Totally amazing actor, I tell you. Anyway, in Rafi Saab's gorgeous voice from the movie Kohinoor, Madhuban mein Radhika nache re.
मधुबन में राधिका नाचे रे, मधुबन में राधिका नाचे रे, गिरधर की मुरलिया बाजे रे। गिरधर की मुरलिया बाजे रे, मधुबन में राधिका नाचे रे। पग में घूंघर बांध के पग में घूंघर बांध के, घूंघटा मुख पर डार के, नैनन में कजरा लगा के रे, मधुबन में राधिका नाचे।
Beti Bete came out in 1964, a tearjerker if ever there was one. The story is that of a family which, due to a whole host of unfortunate circumstances, ends up being separated, go through a lot of trials and tribulations, and in the end, everyone gets united and it's all happy. This movie, though, it was a hit. It had a host of amazing, stars, sort of a power cast kind of a thing. You had Sunil Dutt, you had Mahmood Saab, and from the south, you had two stellar stars, Jamuna and B. Saroja Devi, in key roles in the movie. And, looking at it, I know I'm not a big fan of tearjerker kind of movies, but this was actually very well made, with beautiful music by Shankar Jaikishan and Shailendra J. Hasrat Jaipuri writing the lyrics. This sequence, the song sequence for this particular song, it's kind of a performance. So B. Saroja Devi is playing Radha and some other young lady is playing the role of Krishna. But during the song, B. Saroja Devi starts imagining that Sunil Dutt himself is actually dancing with her. And he is on stage singing the song, by the way. So in Mohammad Rafi's wonderful voice from the movie Beti Bete, Radhike tune bansuri churai.
Radhike tune bansuri churai, Radhike tune bansuri churai. बंसरी चुराई क्या तेरे मन आई, बंसरी चुराई क्या तेरे मन आई, काहे करार मचाई रे, राधे राधिके तूने बंसरी चुराई, राधिके तूने बंसरी चुराई। बंसरी चुराई क्या तेरे मन आई, बंसरी चुराई क्या तेरे मन आई, काहे करार मचाई मचाई रे, राधिके तूने बंसरी चुराई, राधिके तूने बंसरी चुराई। दे दूंगी कहे कसमें खाए, दे दूंगी कहे कसमें खाए, कहाँ छुपाई पर न बताए, कहाँ छुपाई पर न बताए, नटखट कर ढिठाई ढिठाई, राधिके तूने बंसरी चुराई, राधिके तूने बंसरी चुराई।
In 1970, Kishore Sahu, the character actor from the 50s and the 60s, he actually produced a movie called Pushpanjali. His daughter, Naina Sahu, acted in the movie. The story was very weak, I want to say. It's that of a young man whose child is diagnosed with brain cancer. The shock of the diagnosis kills the wife. He decides then at that point to take the child and go to this remote place which has a temple there and so on. And through the miracle of prayer, this child prays at the temple and his brain cancer is cured. Simplistic, yes, but the movie didn't do well. The main actors, Sanjay Khan, of course, Faryal as his wife, a very brief appearance. Master Shahid, I think, plays the son. And Naina Sahu plays the love interest who comes in later in the movie. The song that I want to share is placed on a boat. A whole bunch of people are going in this boat, including Naina Sahu and Sanjay and the little child. And there is also a sadhu who is on the boat. And he starts to sing this song, and Naina Sahu kind of joins in towards the end. So from the movie Pushpanjali, in Manade and in Lataji's voice, with Lakshmikant Pyarelal's music, Anand Bakshi's lyrics, Sham Dhale Jamuna Kinare.
शाम ढले जमुना किनारे किनारे, आजा राधे आजा तुझे शाम पुकारे, शाम ढले जमुना किनारे किनारे, आजा राधे आजा तुझे शाम पुकारे। कभी रुके कभी चले राधा चोरी चोरी, किया कहे नहीं गोरी, शाम ढले जमुना किनारे किनारे, आजा राधे आजा तुझे शाम पुकारे। राधा शर्माए मनवा घबराए पनिया भरने वो जाए ना जाए गया हो घड़ी तो ब्रिज वाला ब्रिज में होरी कान्हा रंग देंगे मोहे हाय बरजोरी लोग करेंगे ये इशारे इशारे.
Tere Mere Sapne, that came out in 1971, I think. It was a remake of A.J. Cronin's The Citadel. I think it was Navketan's, not the best maybe, but right there in the top 5 at least of Navketan's productions. I loved this movie, watched it multiple times. Dev Anand and Mumtaz in the lead, Hema Malini, a significant role as the other woman, and Vijay Anand is this other sort of half-alcoholic kind of doctor. Vijay Anand wrote and directed the movie as well. The music, absolutely top-notch. S.D. Burman, Neeraj. Again, wow, what a combination. Every song is perfect in the movie. So this particular song is picturized on Dev Saab and Mumtaz. So she starts singing this when she accepts his wedding proposal. So the whole song is sort of set against the background of their wedding and their life as newlyweds. So in Lataji's incredibly beautiful voice from Tere Mere Sapne, जैसे राधा ने माला जपी शाम की.
जैसे राधा ने माला जपी शाम की मैंने ओढ़ी चुनरिया तेरे नाम की. जैसे राधा ने माला जपी शाम की मैंने ओढ़ी चुनरिया तेरे नाम की. तेरे नाम की हपिया तेरे ही नाम की. राधा ने माला जपी शाम की मैंने ओढ़ी चुनरिया तेरे नाम की. प्रीत क्या जुड़ी प्रीत क्या जुड़ी डोर क्या बंधी बिना जतन बिना यतन हो गई मैं नहीं. प्रीत क्या जुड़ी डोर क्या बंधी बिना जतन बिना यतन हो गई मैं नहीं. बिना मोल की मैं बिकी बिना दाम की. राधा ने माला जपी शाम की मैंने ओढ़ी चुनरिया तेरे नाम की.
The song that I want to share now is from an unreleased movie by Basu Bhattacharya called Sangat. It was supposed to have been released in 76 and I have no idea why it was never released. There are some clips, video clips of the movie on YouTube and some of the song clips are there as well. It's kind of sad. You wonder why it never got released. Basu Bhattacharya was such a talented director. I would have been interested in seeing this movie, I think. The people acting in the movie were Rakesh Pandey and Kajri, supported by a very stellar, strong supporting cast. The story is that of a young village girl who falls in love with this young man from the city. She gets raped by the local zamindar, and this young man saves her reputation by marrying her. This is the victim blaming, shaming era, so it was kind of a progressive movie for those times. The music for this movie was it's like an unusual combination, Salil Da with Janisar Akhtar Saab. So the lyrics are beautiful, the music is beautiful, and this particular song, Manna Da with Lata Ji, they have taken it to the sublime. It's an exquisite song. And there is a video on YouTube. It's a very nice picturization too, very natural. So from the movie Sangat, Kanha Bole Na.
कान्हा बोले ना, कान्हा बोले ना, पूछूं बार बार कान्हा बोले ना, क्या है प्रीत क्या है प्यार कान्हा बोले ना।
कान्हा बोले ना, कान्हा बोले ना, पूछूं बार बार कान्हा बोले ना, क्या है प्रीत क्या है प्यार कान्हा बोले ना।
बनके ज्योति मन में झाके, यूं नयन नयन डोले आके।
बनके ज्योति मन में झाके, यूं नयन नयन डोले आके।
मानो बरसे सूरज वा जमुना की धार, ऐसा मन फिर भी प्यासा रह जावे। देखे नाही नैना प्रिय खोले ना, कान्हा बोले ना,
कान्हा बोले ना, कान्हा बोले ना, पूछूं बार बार कान्हा बोले ना, क्या है प्रीत क्या है प्यार कान्हा बोले ना।
That's it for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed this theme as much as I do. Maybe next time a part 2 with songs from other languages. We'll see. I would like to thank all of you who have subscribed to my channel, and for those of you who have not, please do go and subscribe and spread the word among your family and friends. I will be back in 2 weeks, but until then, remember, music is food for the soul. Keep listening.